successfully lifted this antique V8. It was completely covered in sludge. The common problem with old cars is oil leaks that can cause them to malfunction and eventually break down. The last repair shop fixed the leaky spot in the house. The chain of components is aging and wearing out, so we need to replace it. Once the disassembly is complete and all the aging damage is addressed, we will order the original imported parts and begin reassembling. This is how we will restore the classic American luxury car step by step. The engine assembly is complete. The gearbox shifting is also smooth. After disassembly, we found many burned out components, so we used ultrasonic cleaning to restore them. The main assembly is now complete. Next, we will handle the car's chassis frame. After sanding, the repaired surface will be reborn, and we will apply a durable primer coat from the inside out. Now we begin the electrophoretic coating process. Under electric current, the paint evenly bonds to the metal surface, reaching even the inner cavities and tight seams for full coverage and protection. Entering the high-temperature drying room. Before and after the paint, you can see the clear difference. The body restoration has now entered its most thorough stage, with all wiring harnesses and interior components removed to prepare for the next phase. With the shell completely stripped, we prepare this steel body for the highest standard of classic car restoration, electrophoretic coating. Only E-coating can truly give an old car a new life. We begin with degreasing, using an alkaline solution to remove all oil dirt and contaminants before the next stage. Deionized water removes residual oil and degreaser. This will form an active layer on the metal surface, providing corrosion resistance. Then, an acid salt film forms on the surface of the car body, making the paint adhesion even stronger. After that, we remove any remaining alkaline residue and then proceed with the final cleaning. In this crucial step, the car body is grounded, and we use an electrostatic sprayer to evenly apply the coating 360 degrees, reaching even the hard-to-reach areas. Then, we will let it cure at a high temperature to restore the durability of the entire coating. This is the stage where we give it color and soul. After that, we adjust and fine-tune the paint color to the desired shade. After everything is done, the old car is not just restored, it has reached the level of a top-tier Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The second layer is applied carefully. The chassis gets fully renewed with all underbody parts sandblasted clean. Rust protection is essential. First, we spray epoxy primer to prevent corrosion, then apply a durable top coat to strengthen the surface and improve protection. The chassis refurbishment is complete. The original parts have been installed, and we can begin reassembly. Do you think the refurbished exhaust pipe is up to standard? Now we begin sorting out the messy interior wiring, removing the old brittle tape, and cleaning up the aged harness to prepare it for proper restoration. We sort out the engine wiring and replace the aged corrugated conduit to ensure reliability and a clean layout. Start refurbishing fuel tanks with foam padding. Looking at the before and after. Deep cleaning and disinfection of carpets to eliminate odors from old cars. To fix the old car's AC system, we must remove and thoroughly clean the evaporator core to restore proper cooling and eliminate odors. Load the refurbished vehicle. The refurbished frame and chassis are now aligned and joined, giving this old car a true sense of stability and balance on the ground. With all fluids added, the car is now ready for its first ignition after the full restoration. Repairing worn-out buttons. Laser engraving of icons after examining the surface. Covered with Wood's signature original leather top. Ready to install glass. Refurbished interior reinstallation. Final wash, polish, and crystal plating.